Hello viewers, are you facing Instagram old message not showing problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to Play Store and then tap on Search app and search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps in latest version. Now wait for completing update process. After completing update process, now open Instagram, tap on profile icon. Now tap on three line icon. Now scroll down, go to help option, just tap on help option. Now tap on report a problem, again tap on report problem. Now tap on include and continue. Here describe your issue in details. After typing your issue, now just send your report. After this process, hopefully your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.